Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves an isolated footing design using load and resistance factor design method based on eStructural Design Tao found on the App Store. Design an isolated square footing using load and resistance factor design for a 16 inches by 16 inches square column carrying an axial dead load of 100 kips and axial live load of 80 kips. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 4000 psi, main bars 5/8-inch diameter, grade 60, soil bearing capacity 4000 psf. The footing carries an axial dead load of 100 kips and axial live load of 80 kips for a factored load of 248 kips. Enumerate input parameters required: footing name F11, shape of footing square, depth of footing 14 inches, depth from natural grade line 4 feet 6 inches, main bars 5/8-inch diameter at grade 60, strength of concrete 4000 psi, soil bearing capacity 4000 psf, column size 16 inches by 16 inches, and total load 248 kips. Given allowable soil pressure equals 4000 psf, assumed footing depth equals 14 inches, and depth from natural grade line equals 4 feet 6 inches, the effective soil pressure is 3491.67 psf. Given actual dead load equals 100 kips and actual live load equals 80 kips, the assumed footing width is 87 inches, and the ultimate soil pressure is 4718.19 psf. Critical section diagrams for punching shear, beam shear, and moment evaluations. Given ultimate soil pressure equals 4718.19 psf, footing width equals 87 inches, and column side equals 16 inches, the maximum moment is 1,796,217.39 inch-pounds. Given resistance factor equals 0.9, B equals 87 inches, and D equals 11 inches, the beam design ratio Rn equals 189.59 psi, and reinforcement ratio Rho equals 0.00325. Use Rho minimum of 0.00333. Given Rho equals 0.00333, B equals 87 inches, and D equals 11 inches, the area of steel for main bars is 3.18681 square inches, and the number of bars for 5/8-inch diameter is 11. The maximum beam shear force is 69,839.04 pounds. The nominal beam shear force is 93,118.72 pounds, less than 121,051.99 pounds. The maximum punching shear force is 224,114.02 pounds. The nominal punching shear force is 298,818.69 pounds, less than 300,542.87 pounds. Design recommendation as follows: FC prime equals 4000 psi, Fy equals 60,000 psi, QA equals 4000 psf, footing size is 7 feet 3 inches by 7 feet 3 inches by 14 inches, depth of footing from natural grade line 4 feet 6 inches, main bars of grade 60, 11 pieces 5/8-inch diameter bar at 8 and 1/8 inches on center both ways. Thank you for watching. If you learned something from this video, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.